So this is a quick rundown on our label system. So the way it works is we will create the batches. So this is what we use to track the concentrates. I can give you more rundown into individual screens if you guys are looking for more info, but it takes into consideration the amount of concentrate we're going to need, how much we have on hand, how much we have planned to produce, etc. From there, we go into the inventory planning. So we'll plan out the batches using the recommended amounts. So it looks at the trends, looks at who's buying it per SKU. So anyways, once we've gone through this process for the projections and figuring out what kind of batches we need, then we get the export. So that's where the data comes in. So the system will export the information. So this was a small batch they did this morning. This is the list of all the products that are being created, the information that's required for the labels. There'll be the batch traveler, so it'll give you a rundown, which bin it's going to go, what type of flask, what type of other things for the labels. Once they have this exported, then we go into the label software and it builds the labels. So you can see on the left-hand side, there's the individual layers. So depending on what layer is required, so depending on which flavor is being made, how much nicotine, all that kind of stuff, it adds the layers on top of it. For example, that's the Cactus Django. If we wanted to have just not the Canadian, the US or the UK. So the labels show up differently depending on the region, depending on the flavor, depending on the brand. So if it's that brand, so basically at print time, it all gets put together. If you guys want, we can help you guys set up something similar.